Notice the minimalist white facade and large glass windows. The clean lines and potted tree create an inviting, contemporary urban atmosphere. Observe the sleek rooftop terrace with wooden furniture and white pebbles. The glass railing frames the skyline, blending modern design with nature. See how the stone chimney contrasts with the white facade. Vertical lights and lush greenery enhance this clean, contemporary architectural style. This two-story home features floor-to-ceiling windows and a central concrete column. Symmetrical plants and a sleek garage create an elegant suburban look. Note the rectangular design pairing light gray walls with a stone chimney. Large sliding doors connect the spacious interior to the urban outdoors. Observe the wooden ceiling contrasting against the white exterior. Stone pillars frame the entrance, while glass windows reveal a cozy modern living space. This design mixes white stucco with gray stone walls. Warm lighting inside the glass windows creates a welcoming contrast to the sleek exterior. Look at the stone accent wall balancing the white exterior. The flat roof and wooden ceiling define this clean, minimalist architectural structure. The open-plan design connects the indoors with the gravel pathway. Large glass doors and stone walls create a seamless, upscale living environment. Notice the clean geometric shapes and light gray driveway. The well-maintained garden and large glass elements establish a serene, contemporary suburban aesthetic. This white patio features a sectional sofa on smooth pebbles. Tall black planters and glass doors create a bright, airy, and upscale atmosphere. See the black wicker furniture contrasting with the white house. Topiary bushes and bamboo plants add natural serenity to this modern outdoor space. This garden highlights granite textures against a white stucco house. Black lanterns and careful pebble placement emphasize the clean, geometric modern design. Black framed glass doors define this white minimalist house. The gray stone patio and potted topiaries create a sophisticated, clean architectural composition. The sleek rectangular pool is bordered by stone and trimmed hedges. Lantern lights and glass doors enhance the warm, inviting urban backyard setting.